Hey everyone, I want to thank the brand for sending me this complete baking set to try. As you can see, it comes with a square pan, muffin tin, and they actually include the silicone muffin cups as well. There's a baking sheet here. They also included a full set of mini bundt cake silicone cups. There's a full, big, large baking pan here, big enough for a ham or a turkey. They do include a cookbook with it as well, and then also a pie tin as well. So these are ceramic. They're very lightweight. I really like that on a lot of these pieces, they have a little lip here for easy putting into and pulling out of the oven. You can see right here, there's that. There's a fresh loaf of banana bread there. And then I'll show you guys, I used the muffin tin the other day without the silicone cups. I'll show you guys those in just a second. But I cannot wait to use this and have this big, lip to hold on to pull the bakeware in and out of the oven. So yes, of course you can hand wash it. You can put it in the dishwasher. Any of those is okay. But look at all that you get with just one baking set. Love the ceramic portion of it. And it's just going to be so easy and convenient. And of course they kind of stack into each other. Like I can put this into the baking sheet. I can stack these together. I can put this in here for easy storage. So super easy to store, super easy to use and work with. And again, I just want to thank the brand for sending me this to try. So here's an example. I just used their muffin tin this morning. Holds 12 regular size muffins. I made some blueberry muffins. They turned out amazing. Can't wait to dive in. And one last quick shot of this showing you just how collapsible everything is. Obviously, I'm not going to store that because I'm getting ready to eat it, but you can see it could absolutely just fit right here. But all of these pieces are collapsible into themselves. And then, of course, for the other bakeware that they give, there's a little drawstring bag that you can keep your silicone bakeware in. So yeah, great set. Thanks again to the brand for letting me give this a try.